Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial series on HTML. In this video, I will be taking you through HTML basic course and start your journey of becoming a web developer. So today we are talking about HTML multimedia. Multimedia on the web is sound, music, videos, movies, and animation. Multimedia comes in many different formats. It can be almost anything you can hear or see, okay? Web pages contain multimedia elements of different types and formats. Multimedia elements like audio or video are stored in media files, all right? So today we are going to look on how to insert our video inside our web page. This we are going to do attaching a video that we have in our computer or in our storage, local storage, and then we are also going to insert another video using YouTube, a video that has been uploaded in the YouTube, and how we can link it with our web page. So let us get started. We will go to our HTML folder and create another folder. Let us call it videos. Inside our videos, we are going to insert the video that we are going to use. So I'll drag and drop this video here. Start a new file that we will call video.html. Hit on enter. We are going to use the HTML video element. Write our boilerplate and we are going to give it a title video. Then inside our body, we are going to use the video element. We are going to give our video a width of 320. Let us give it a height of 240. And we are going to add something called controls. We will talk about this. Then we are going to give it a source. We are going to write source, src. We are going to say it's inside our videos. Then we're going to have this HTML video, MP4. Then we are going to say it is a type. It's a type video. It is a video. And MP4, and close there. All right, click on go live, click on enter, and now this is our video that we have inserted. So how does this work? The controls attribute, this attribute here that we are using, the controls attribute, adds video controls like play. They add video controls like play, pause, and volume. It is a good idea to always include width and height attributes. If height and width are not set, the page might flicker while the video loads. Another thing we are supposed to add in our video is the source element, this one here. The source element allows you to specify alternative video files which the browser may choose from. The browser will use the first recognized format. Mostly they use MP4. The text between the video and the end of the video tag will only be displayed in browsers that do not support the video element. We have an attribute that we called an autoplay. We are going to remove the controls and let us add autoplay. When we add the autoplay attribute, our video will automatically play with sound on. We can add another attribute that is add muted after autoplay, that lets your video start playing automatically but muted. So you'll come inside our autoplay and we are going to add another attribute called muted. Our video will just play and the sound will be off. The other thing we are going to look at is how to insert our YouTube video. Let us look on how we can attach our YouTube videos on our web page. YouTube will display an ID when you save or play a video. You can use this ID and refer to your video in the HTML code. We'll comment on this and you're going to use iframe We're going to use iframe. We talked about iframe. Inside iframe here, we're going to give it a width of 420 and a height 315. We'll give it a source. Our source, we are going to copy a link from our YouTube channel, and I'll first copy the link address here. We are now going to insert this link in our source tag, but we are also going to insert something called embed. So we are going to copy from here, https until where youtube.com is, then you put backslash and write embed, another backslash, and then you add this ID here. You insert that ID, remove this one, and control save, then go live. And now you are able to see our YouTube channel here. So that is how you attach a YouTube video inside your web page. We can add our video with autoplay attribute, and we're also going to mute it. So for us to mute our video, after we've written our YouTube ID here, you're going to add a question mark and then write autoplay, and you'll say equals to 1 and mute equals to 1. So we've activated mute, that it's equals to 1. And you can see now that our video has started playing automatically and the volume is off, okay, or it is on mute mode. That's how we insert a video on YouTube and we mute it. We've come to the end of today's lesson and how to learn HTML in 2 weeks. I believe that you have learned something, and by now you have covered everything that pertains HTML. So do your practice, and I'll see you in the next video when we will be starting our CSS series, our CSS tutorial, and we will now combine our HTML with CSS. And don't forget to practice, to like and share this video with your friends. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video where we are going to start CSS tutorial.